look at your life, in particular the current situation, circumstances, anything that's playing out at the moment. Now, can be a bit difficult to hear, of course, depending on the meaning that you place on your current circumstances. Today, when you wake up and you look around your life, do so with the eyes that say, all of this is intentional. So the circumstances I'm going through are intentional. It's part of what is teaching me how to rise above or how to access the version of myself that's already moved through all of this, right? I'm saying this because for the Pisceans, where it's easy for you to lose your footing, if you like, and kind of get lost and go into the oscillating between, this version and that version of yourself, is when you look at your circumstances and you make out that you had nothing to do with them. Or why is this happening to me? And I want you to understand something. Somewhere in the background, there is a constant whisper of, but why is this happening to me? It's unfair that this is happening. On the surface and an outlook, you may not present that at all. If you go in a little bit deeper and you just listen, if you spent just a day observing your mind and all the thoughts, you will recognize there's a huge victim story that has been playing for many years. And it's like a radio in the background. You need to recognize that victim, the version of you that is playing the victim, so you can finally switch it off. And how you switch that off, I'll talk about that in your membership.